You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the city located in Ukraine. For reference, in Ukrainian, it is said as Kherson, Kherson. In English, it is generally said as Kherson, Kherson. And now you know more videos for you here on how to say more names of Ukrainian cities and names that many get wrong. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.